Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the swipe to call or text in this device. So go to the phone application. If you swipe right, you can see it will make a call. If you swipe left, then you can see it will make a message. So let me show you how to enable or disable this option in this device. Simply go to settings, phone app settings. Now scroll down, tap on the option other call settings. Here you can see the option swipe to call or text. Now this is enabled. If you want to disable this one, turn off this one. You can see how to use this one. Okay, now let me show you. Now again I am going to make a swipe right or left. You can see nothing will happen. If you want to again enable this one, go to settings, tap on other call settings, enable this one. Now if you swipe right or left, you can see the options you can see here. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the swipe to call or text in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.